Hello. Today we're going to be unboxing, not really unboxing, but revealing. Oh, hello, it's me, the developer of Beastform Simulator. Sorry I'm so late with the winter update this year. This has been a tough year and I'm wishing you all the best. I'm so fortunate that you've stuck with the games through it all. And I'm thankful and honored that so many are still enjoying it nearly 3 years later. Beastform has taken on a life of its own and I'm just lucky to be along for the ride. Anyways, enough gushy stuff, let's get to Beastmas. This update I've introduced B-Equips, a type of equipment beasts. They can change their stats and even teach them abilities. Talk to Bear to learn more. You can also accept special gifts from most characters around the map, although I'm still working on a few. As a thank you for playing during this special time of year, here are a few gifts. There's a star jelly, some boosting material, and most importantly, the Honey Day event buff. It's 2 times on. Have fun and have a very happy Honey Day. Okay. Yes. Star jelly. Gifted Rascal Bee. Okay, so we are going to be revealing Beastform Simulator codes. First one. Nectar. Redeem plus 5,000 honey. Next one is wax. Five tickets plus 5,000 honey. Next one is roof. Gives you 5 tickets. Next one is crawlers. Is crawlers. Crawlers. Gives 5 tickets. Sorry, but our neighbor's timer is going off. I'm pretty sure you can't hear it. The next code is Con Oi Connoisseur plus 5 tickets. No. Connoisseur, then Cog plus 5 tickets. Then goes Buzz. Sorry, I on purpose turned on the volume on the other thing. Oh, wait, I already redeemed it. Silly me. Bob Master. Stir. Redeem plus 5 tickets. Mm. Notification on my phone just went off. Now 3817. Another code. 5 tickets. The next one is sorry, just wait a little bit. Stop.
Nie widzę ciebie.
Sasha, I'm making a YouTube video. It
Daj mi
flip.
telefon.
Sorry for the inconvenience. My weird brother punched me in the face.
No, I didn't.
And he's trying to ruin my YouTube video.
No, I'm not.
Look, he's even talking to ruin it. Redeem. Yay! I'm a bear. Just please forget what my weird brother did. Oh, maxed out. Wing. E. Nice. Wink is really good. Now Club Bean. Oh, I need to join the group. Well, Club Bean gives you, as long as I know, a few tickets. Now, secret profile code? Interesting. Secret profile code. 1 ant pass, 1 shocked beast jelly, activate oil, activated glue, activate enzymes. Wow. The next one is Gumdrops of Science. Wait. Gumdrops. Oh, not of science, but Gumdrops for science. For science. 15 Gumdrops. Now, another weird code. Sure. 2,500 honey, activate conversion boost duration 30 minutes. Weird. Another code, which is band. 1 stubborn bee jelly. Spider, 1 stubborn bee jelly. I wonder who Mosito is. Next code. Mosito 100T. 3 stingers, 5 gumdrops, 10 coconuts. Inspire. Next one. Likes. Seriously again, group. I will create another video when I join the group. Festive frogs is another one. It's probably Festive frogs right now. Invalid. Weird. I remember redeeming this code. The next one, Jolly Jelly. Jolly Jelly. I remembered. Probably another expired one. Bees must begins. Bees must begins. Bees must be begins. Teespring. One marshmallow bee, one bamboo field boost. Field wins. 4 mil members, yes. 4 each. 4. No. 4 mil members. 4 mil members. No, they got rid of that one. Tornado. And we'll Gumadin 10 trillion. Gumadin 10 Gumadin 10 no 10. They always bees buzz 1, 2, 3. 1 cloud while 5 bitter berries, 10 gumdrops. Discord 100 K 3 gumdrops, 3 tickets. 500 mil. Yes, I'm Black Bear. No, Science Bear, actually. And they stopped being that one. So I redeemed 500 mil. Did I? I think I did. Let's just do it again. 500 mil. Yes, I already did redeem it. Now, marshmallow. Club converters. Bee Swarm group again. Well, okay. I'll just 43 tickets. 10 coconut, 63 gumdrops. Stubborn bee jelly moon. Bitterberry, cloud vial, marshmallow. I thought I got way more. Oh. E. Yeah, okay. Common. It's a new type. Yes. Brave V. Yes. Another common. Yes. Stubborn bee. No, it's a gifted. This bee. Yes. Stubborn bee. Shocked bee. Now let's feed them bitter berries. Bitter berries. Level 3 now. Level 3 again. Level 3 again. And level 3 probably again, or 4. Yes. 1. 1. And yes. Alright, I'll just do a couple of quests. Hello there. Gift present. Crumple crumple. Oh, that'll help me. Wait, to try it out. You know me so well. I've got you some gifts as well, including the honey jar ornament. With this on Beastmas, you'll receive the following boost. Plus capacity and distant fire fuel and happy honey business. One glitter. E. Talk. Collect 25. It is quite simple. E. Mushroom field. Also, I'm pretty sure I can buy more things right now in the shop. E-shop. 650 already. 500. Oh. Well, almost as much as I wanted, but still good. Mushroom field. And another royal jelly. Let's just do this simple I did part of the quest already. Yes, royal jelly. Now the blue flower field. Few shots. There you go. And there.